Hello. I just woke up. Is that my look at my bed head? I feel like a lot of these reactions are just me waking up and then instantly just recording, putting on a shirt and pants and recording. Hi, my name is JRE from the YouTube channel JREAMERS. I have a Patreon. I already uploaded 2 live performance videos to Listener FM. You should check it out. Go follow my Patreon if you haven't. Maybe I'll do a Patreon video of DPR Ian, who edited and directed this video for IU, who we're about to watch, that you see in the title down below, which is fire, by the way. Good job, bro. I need water. Bro, how the hell do you ever wake up delusional? Delirious? That's what I meant. Not delusional, but both, baby. IU. Now, I heard a little birdie told me that DPR Ian directed and edited this, so I was excited to see an IU as an artist, incredible, iconic, legendary, beautiful, by the way, to be directed by the one and only Ian, Christian U, Rome, DPR Ian, whatever you want to go by. What's the next name, DPR Ian? I'm sorry. I only tease him. Alright, without further ado, let's get into this, shall we? We got IU Shopper MV. I know that Ian is in here almost like, I think, isn't he kidnapped? Or no, he was taking on what I don't know, actually. He's taking on an adventure, I think. I don't know. Without further ado, IU Shopper MV. Go check out the link in the description to follow my Discord and my Patreon for more videos like this. Like, if this video gets blocked, it's probably gonna be on Patreon. So, alright, without further ado, IU Shopper MV, let's go. I just wanted.
There once was a shop.
What shop? A mart.
And it wasn't just any shop.
Okay. Oh.
It was in fact extraordinary.
Ooh, what is that coat?
With even more extraordinary items.
Tell me more. Tell me more.
Never seemed to run out.
Ooh, I love the sound design. That sounds like some video game shit. That sounds like the PlayStation 5. What the hell?
That never seemed to run out. They say the items had powers that would only unlock to their rightful owners.
I see.
So you might be wondering,
what?
Who put those items there?
Oh, ooh, that gave me chills. A fairy? I'm just reading the title. I mean the subtitles. A thief, not IU. She would never, unless it's for the good. Anyways, going back to it. I feel like anything that Ian touches is very cinematic. So, this is literally gonna be a movie.
Our story begins here.
Oh, she got a lollipop? I have never had one of those lollipops before. Oh, midnight auction. Ooh. Oh, she got a hood on and everything. Oh, also, I do have some homies in here. Oh, there he is. Johnny. Is that you, Johnny? That's Johnny. Johnny, my dancer friend. Shout out to you, bro. I'm very proud of you. This is 2 DPR things that you've been on. Let me see if I can see anybody. Actually, I feel like I know this place. I feel like I've been at a concert. Oh, the Palace. I have been at a K-pop concert here. In LA. This is LA. This is Los Angeles. Let me see. Do I know people? Look at the people. Ooh, IU. I gotta look at you, IU. Oh, Johnny again? What the hell? Oh, that's another foot. Oh, that's Ian. Oh, Johnny and Ian right next to each other. Ooh. Oh, auction. Oh, it's almost like a musical. I mean, it's a music video. Oh, I feel like I met her at a K-Play Fest. I'm sorry, I should be looking at IU. She is so beautiful. Oh, there's the boy. Oh, I see what she's doing. Oh, she needs that, huh? Oh, she ate her lollipop? Oh, there's a... there's main character number 2. Oh, dang. He got that little pouty lips too, my boy. Oh. Oh, where's she going? Oh, he said, I'm trying to get that. Ayu, did you cut out the lights? Ooh, her voice is so beautiful. Well, we're looking. Oh, damn, she got a cash. What the hell? She would have. Hey, share me. Share. Oh, she's playing like low-key or high-key a modern day Robin Hood. In a way, kinda. Oh, they searching for you, girly. Girl. Oh. Wait, hold on. I was like, this street dangerous, girl. I've been in those streets. Oh. Oh, she's just gonna go in? You don't lock your door, sir? Oh. What you trying? Is she threatening him with a lolly? Okay, let's go. Oh. How far have you... What side story is this for Mr. Insanity? Or for DPR Ian? Or for Mido? You were just been taken on a ride. He looks good though. Hey man, you look good. You both, you know, when 2 good looking people are in one frame, you kind of feel like, damn, I could never be them. So much glitter, so much confetti actually with her. I just realized, like when she was blowing it out. My boy's like, where am I going? What is happening? A lot. Oh my god. I mean, I wouldn't let her push the car either. Just taking along the ride. In her adventures. Who knew that the lore of DPR Ian is to match up in a side mission with IU? Fireworks. Lemonade? I'm down for the lemonade. Oh, who the hell? Oh my god, I thought that was Jim Carrey for a second. I'd be kind of crazy if it was Jim Carrey. Oh, the ticket. Or like the envelope. I'm gonna go through the lyrics the second time. Okay. This just feels like a crazy... Not that I know of it, I don't do this. This looks like a crazy acid trip during Coachella. Because it's like deserty. Don't do drugs. Oh, the hideout? She's ready. Dang, with the golden bat too. Ah, I see my boy Johnny right here. Let's go. Bah! Pinata time. Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. This is cute. Ooh. Oh, that's so dope. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I love this colorful set. Like, the saturation is high. The color correction is so interesting in this. Almost like a, what's his name? What's that director's name? I have to look it up later. Where's my phone? Oh, I love the behind the scenes. That's so cute. Oh, I'm jealous of bro working with IU, bro.
They say the items had powers
What in God's name was that? Hey, Johnny right there. Ah, bro, I love seeing homies in music videos. If you guys don't know, that's Johnny Tran. He does like dances and amazing at transitions, by the way, and editing. Look at him. You better be getting paid, bro. Is that real money? Oh. I like the BTS of this. Ah. This is adorable. Bro, I would love to be a part of this production. Wow. Wait, did he put that in there on purpose?
They say the items had powers.
Bro, he's adding to the lore. Bro, you add into the lore of your lore. I feel like this is an edit for you. Not for IU. What items? Now we gotta look back at the beginning. Let me go back to the beginning.
It wasn't just any shop. It was in fact
Extraordinary.
With
even more extraordinary items. Then they seem to run out. Okay, envelope.
They say
They had powers.
That would
They only unlocked to the rightful owners.
So you might be wondering who put those items there.
IU. I love the color correction of this. My God, Wes Anderson. I think Wes Anderson is the director. It reminds me of.
Was it a god?
A fairy.
Or maybe
A thief. Hey man, can you direct my intros? Can you do the intro to my videos for every reaction video? I would love it.
Our story
Begins here.
At the midnight.
Not you. Not Harry. Not Hermione. Not Harry. But you. No, wait. Not me. Not Hermione. But you. I'm sorry. Ooh. So, okay. She shows up to this auction. At the midnight auction. With a hood on. Kind of like, I feel like this is very Robin Hoodie. Maybe. At least in the beginning. I want to earn. I want more. More. So many things. Auctioneer. That hyped me up. She wanted it all. So there's a map. Oh. The ending is the Sunset Flume Party. I see. Wait. Oh wait, I do want to see the if you don't have a car, make a friend. Ah, if you don't have a car, make a friend. Which she made a friend by threatening him with a lollipop. Enjoy your journey. It's time to party. Special advantage is getting a car. I kind of wish we invite you to the celebrate our victory. Please follow the order of the map. When the sun rises, the party is over. Go make your own. What? Go make your own. What? And wait, we waiting for you? Who the hell? Midnight auction? Alright. Alright, let's go. You looking like Panic at the Disco. What does that even mean? Shouting out my name until my heart explodes. I can't get over this. This is Blue Steel. This is Ian's Blue Steel. Look at that. Doughy eyes. Innocence. He's not even sure he's there. He doesn't even know if he has the funds for it, but he's bidding. I like that he has a lot of color in his in these, like IU and her well, everybody has color, but it seems like the saturation is, at least like obviously everything in the background is like darkened and he's the light. She's sneaking in the back. No need to explain. I want something else. Let's go haul. Okay. Fill it up and make it burst. Oh, someone stole it. Yes. Cause chaos. When he's stealing the golden bat, throw money. And people are like, oh shit. Free money? I mean, to be honest, look at it. That's me right here. Good acting, Johnny. I love the scene already. Like him just actually listening to it. It's like the sound design is really good here. First of all, why wouldn't you lock your doors, especially in downtown LA? Girl, I'm surprised she didn't break the window. That's not IU though. That's not her. That's not her concept. In a panic, you got police on you. I was like, all right, I need to go. So they're on their way to a party, the Flume party, which looks like it's like jellyfishes. He looks good here, bro. You look good here, bro. He looks annoyed though. Did he actually have to push that car? That's cute. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Step 2, tip and grant his tip, please grant his wish. Okay, okay, okay. In the middle of the day, fireworks? Yes. I love this guy already. Okay, okay. Damn. Let me take. They biked all the way to a motel? What is this? Oh, it's time to party. Wow, she is gorgeous. Jesus. Dang. Look at that jawline, though. He's taking it so serious. Hey, what's up, Johnny? Ooh. Damn. Whoa. What's that? A jellyfish? I say it was jiggling. That was jellyfish. Yeah. This is a cute shot. I like this shot a lot. The outfit's fired too for Ian. My boy tired. Look at him. He's like, we made it. We did it. Can I go home now? Bop. Ooh. The behind the scenes is fire. Producer IU, music producer John Lee, lyrics by IU, composed by John Lee. Oh, okay.
They say the
what is this? They say the items have power.
items had powers.
Okay, he's adding to this lore. There's no reason why he would put that unless it's for lore. I love it though. I love it. Directed and edited and colored by DPR Ian. Let's go, big man. Let's go. You got this. I'm gonna give it a clap up, bro. I'm very proud of you. You are at a point where people want to work with you. I mean, who wouldn't? But I know you got a bigger. I know you got big things popping in the upcoming. I know. Trust. And I can't wait to see it too. But I feel like this side mission, I like to call it side mission, is a big side mission. Working with IU is pretty fire. Oh, shout out to the DPR team, bro. Shout out to the whole DPR team, bro. Let me give credit, bro. Hold up.
They say the items had powers.
Alright, here we go. Shout out to all the DPR visuals plus Ian team right here. Everybody, bro. John, and John. No, hey, shout out to Johnny, bro. The gaffer's name is Gucci? Wow, she looks so pretty. Goddamn. Damn. This guy, I love this guy. He looks like an older version of Shaggy. If that makes sense. I feel like filming the music video is the fun part. It's like you could play, it's like playtime. All right. Thank you for that. That was fire. Well, IU Shopper, go check it out. Link in the description. This was fun. Big up the DPR, the DPR team, for editing, directing, and coloring it. You guys did an amazing job as always. And yeah, when am I gonna be a part one? I'm surprised, to be honest. I actually am surprised I've not even been in one, but not that I'm like wanting to. To be honest, sometimes I like being behind the scenes than in front of the camera. But hey, man, hire me as best friend number 1. I feel like if I was ever in the music, I just want to be the best friend. I don't want to be the main character. I think that's too much pressure. Let me be best friend. Like, hey, man, everything's gonna be all right. That's me. Anyways, like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go check out the music video, link in the description. Go follow the Patreon. I'll be posting a lot of the reactions that get blocked and I can't even upload it for some reason over there. Like, for instance, if this gets blocked, then I'll probably put it over there instead. So go follow it over there. It's free. You can become a member for $1 just to support your boy, because your boy don't earn money from this, to be honest. This is getting copyrighted hands down, like most of every all of my videos. But if you want to support, join the Patreon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, y'all. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school.